All right, guys. All the 8 packs were found. Let's start ripping them open.
All right, first pack. Code card for you guys. Steel Energy, Dancer, Angoro, Grappalock, Makuhita, Panfor, Swaddle, Skarmory, Jinx, Galarian Duramitan. Oh, and a full art Dancer. Let's go. He's down to pack number 3. Code card for you guys. Fighting Energy, Skater's Park, Frostmoth, Ninetales, Sigilyph, Toxel, Totodile, Baneri, Clobbopus, Reverse Hollow Chansey. Oh, and a Gengar VMAX. Let's go. All right,
Last 3 packs were complete dudsters. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic in the chat. Let's go!
Code card for you guys. Electric Energy, Crocodile, Excadrill, Double, Clamperl, Peko, Skarmory, Shelmet, Blustle, Reverse Hollow Sandslash,
And Pain!
Well, guys, Fusion Strike wasn't nice to us. Looks like we're gonna have to keep searching for this bad boy right here. My favorite Pokemon, Gengar. Till next time, guys.